Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with another video. This is, what is this? Oh, this is spinach artichoke dip pasta, y'all. Oh my God, it's very easy and quick. Let's get started. All right, so on medium heat, as you can see, my heat is not medium because I didn't notice that I left my pot on while I was setting up my camera. And my pot was extremely hot, but it's fine. But make sure that your pot is on medium heat. You're gonna add in a couple of tablespoons of butter and mixed garlic and some softened cream cheese. Y'all, please make sure your cream cheese is softened or you'll have the hardest time getting it to melt. And basically, the first half of this recipe is just getting the cream cheese to melt. That's the part that takes the longest. But even though it's the longest part, this recipe can be completed with under 30 minutes. Y'all, what is with under? I meant to say within or under 30 minutes. Ciao. Add in some whole milk to the pot to get your cream cheese, well, to help your cream cheese melt more and to get those ingredients more incorporated. You want to reduce the number of big chunks of the cream cheese. As you can see, I'm pressing some of those down as much as possible before you add in your sour cream. Okay, so at this point, you want to reduce your heat to low and then add in your sour cream. This sauce tends to get thick real quick, so keep your fire on low. And then once your sour cream has been incorporated, we're going to add in 1 can of drained artichoke hearts to the pot. As your sauce continues to thicken, we're going to add in our seasonings. We're going to season this sauce with just 2 things, y'all. So it is Karen friendly, just salt and red chili pepper flakes. If you want to add garlic powder, pepper, and all that stuff, you can, but it really doesn't need it because I believe the cream cheese, the Parmesan cheese, and even the artichokes give it a nice flavor. So now we're going to add in our frozen, thawed, and drained spinach. Make sure you squeeze all that juice out so your sauce won't turn green. We're going to add that to the pot and get that nice and mixed in. Next, we're going to add in some cheese. Y'all know I love Sargento. We're going to add in some Parmesan cheese. And once we get that mixed and incorporated, we're going to add a splash of lemon juice, which you'll see. Once again, make sure you're keeping your pot on low because this sauce thickens really fast, especially after you add in your sour cream. Now, here is my splash of lemon juice. At this point, your sauce is complete. All you have to do is add in your cooked pasta. I have a pound of penne pasta. You can use any type of pasta, any type of short pasta. Or you can use fettuccine or spaghetti, but I would prefer a short pasta. All right, so at this point you can turn your fire off and your pasta is done. But y'all know I'm extra, so I am going to actually place my pasta in a baking dish and I'm going to add some cheese and we're gonna bake it just like they do the spinach artichoke dip. So right here I have a mini cast iron skillet that was gifted to me by my sister and brother-in-law. Hey y'all. And I'm gonna add on some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan cheese. Y'all, I didn't have enough cheese. Usually I would have flooded this whole thing with cheese, but I didn't have enough cheese. So if you are gonna do this, make sure you cover the entire pot with cheese. Then you're going to place it under a high broiler for 5 minutes and you will have this perfection in front of you, y'all. This is so good. Please try this for dinner tonight. You can try it with a salad. You can try it with some chicken on the side, or you can even put shrimp and chicken on the inside. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. And remember, if you try this recipe, please tag me. All right, y'all, to the next video.